So we're gonna go through a few core shifts, okay? The first core shift every successful 7-figure entrepreneur understands is total ownership and taking full responsibility over everything and anything that happens, okay? Taking full responsibility even when it's not your fault. Victim thinking keeps you broke. Ownership builds power. When you sign up to be an entrepreneur or business owner, you're gonna go through a lot of different cycles. You're gonna go through highs, you're gonna go through lows, and only once you really have the experience will then you be consistent in business. And you're gonna have people that go all the way with you. You're gonna have people that, betray you. You're gonna have, things happen that go in your favor, and you're gonna have a lot of things that go wrong, because essentially that's what business is. I look at business like every day I have to wake up and figure this thing out. You have to take full responsibility if what happened in business was your direct fault or not. In order to be a dominant leader, a successful leader in business, you have to be able to take full accountability, and you have to wake up every single day and know that you're coming into business with strategy. And the quote I live by is, if it's meant to be, it's up to me. Everything is up to me. It's all in my control. It's all up to my thinking, followed through with my habits, etc., etc. Core shift number 2, systems over hustle. Your 6-figure entrepreneur has a hustler mindset. What they do is they wake up every single day and all they focus on is money, money, money. Who can I sell and not fulfill? Who can I just make a quick buck on? How can I make a credit repair sale? And then the next day and the next week and the next month and the next year, they're always chasing that next client. Now, the 7-figure entrepreneur has an architect mindset, guys. To build a 7-figure company, you have to know what the end goal is, and you have to look at your company like, I'm here to build a machine. I'm going to build such an effective, well-oiled, automated, systemized machine that I can feed leads and employees through, and it's gonna grow. And that's why I put build processes that free up your time. Too many businesses don't have SOPs, which are standard operating procedures. Too many businesses don't have a systemized approach for every key component or position in the business, which is why their people don't know what they're doing every single day. Do you have your entire business mapped out and processed out, where every single day, even if you're a one-man business, you're just waking up and you're just following a process? So the first thing you want to do is be able to replace yourself as a business owner. So these type of thoughts, should provoke the mindset to start thinking, wow, it is possible that I can replace myself and stop being a 6-figure hustler, which are typically one-man operations. These type of businesses, the 6-figure businesses, the owner is the CEO, he's the COO, he's the CFO, he's the sales manager, he's the salesperson, and I've been there. That's how I started in entrepreneurship. He's the customer support rep, he's all that good stuff. The best leaders are the best trainers that can duplicate themselves over and over and over again, which then frees up your time. And that's what you call getting to a phase of working on your business compared to working in your business. Core shift number 3, just getting stuff done rather than seeking perfection. A lot of us, we function off like ADD, ADHD, where it's hard to focus and it's hard to execute and get things done because we're so focused on perfection. But if you focus on perfection, nothing ever gets done, and that always delays your business. Core shift number 4, investing over saving. Because the way you catapult in business, guys, is by reinvesting into your business.